In just a few days, I'm going to be riding my bike 434 miles across the state of Iowa in an event called RAGBRAI. RAGBRAI is the longest, largest, and oldest recreational bicycling tour in the world. It's estimated that over 20,000 people will be riding this year, so it's time for us to drive from Alabama to Iowa to hit the road. Let's hit the road.
We're heading to Iowa. Make sure you subscribe to watch our trip.
We are 2 minutes into this road trip and the dude's already eating his snacks.
Hotel room. We got a fridge, bedroom, and a snack box there. And then we got an oven that where we can cook stuff. And then we got a couch here, a table, then a chair that where we can just sit on it, and then and then another table. Then we got this, and then this does this. That's what it does. And remember to not touch these cords. Yeah, I got like a TV. Mama has a drone for her bike ride. I have a water bottle and I can drink water. And Mama, can you tell us what that says?
All the way up there?
Yeah.
It says contact with sprinkler will cause flooding.
What? Why does it say that? Why does it say that? And this is our hotel room. Today we are going to get all of our stuff, pack it up, and go to Iowa.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
When we finally got to Iowa, we spent the next week spending time with some of my family that we don't get to see all that often. So we were able to spend some time with my own siblings, some of our cousins, and hang out with the grandparents.
You're silly.
We also spent some time testing out the drone that we plan to bring with on the bike ride. After leaving Iowa, we drove another about 6 hours to Wisconsin, where we dropped off my son with my husband's side of the family, and we tested out the drone a little bit more, and now my father-in-law and I are heading back to Iowa to get ready for RAGBRAI. We made it to Burlington, Iowa. This is the ending town, but we're parking our car here, loading up our bikes, and taking a bus to the beginning town.
I don't remember how to play this. Anybody?
We took a 5-hour bus ride from Burlington, Iowa to the starting town in Glenwood. Once we got there, we unloaded our bags and checked in with Pork Belly. The check-in process went super smooth. They gave us some bag tags, a meal ticket, and a souvenir cup. We then made our way over to find out where our tents were. And that night they had a food vendor in town, so they had barbecue sandwiches or a little taco bar. So I got an entire plate of nachos, went back to the tent, and in the next video I will give you a tour of the Pork Belly camp and the expo downtown.